under welding process. 16th problem is they have asked us to find V0 and IS. V0 is open circuit voltage and IS is short circuit current. Okay, these are the given data. They have given V arc as 20 plus 5L, where L is arc length. Arc length varies from 5 mm to 7 mm and I value varies from 400 to 500 amps. Okay. So before solving this problem, first have to know two conditions. One is at equilibrium, VA is equal to VP, where VA is 20 plus 5L and VP is equal to V0 minus V0 by IS into I. And second condition is current is inversely proportional to arc length. Current is inversely proportional to arc length. Okay. So I1 is equal to if the current value increases, arc length should decrease. So I am taking I1 as 400. Compared to these two current values, 400 is less compared to 500. Same way, compared to these two values of arc length, 5 mm is less compared to 7 mm. So if I take I1 as 400 amps, I should take L1 as 7 mm. Same way, if I take I2 as 500 amps, L2 should be 5 mm. These two are inversely proportional. Okay, so substituting the value of I1 and L1 in this equation, we will be getting 20 plus 5 into 7. 7 is L1 value is equal to V0 minus V0 by IS into I. I value is 400. Okay, this is equation 1. And equation 2 is substituting the values of I2 and L2 in this equation. We will be getting equation 2. And the simplified equation of 1 is 20 plus 5 into 7, that is 25. 25 plus 20 is 45. After getting this equation 1 and 2, I am just simplifying it. Okay, 20 plus 5 into 7 is 35. So 35 plus 20 is 55. 55 is equal to V0 minus V0 by IS into this 400. Okay, and second equation is simplified as 20 plus 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 is equal to V0 minus V0 by IS into 500. I am just making out difference. Okay, a difference of these two values. 55 minus 45 is 10, and this is positive V0, so this is negative V0. So these two will get cancelled. Finally, I am getting 10 is equal to 100 V0 by IS. So V0 by IS is equal to 10 by 100. V0 by IS is equal to 10 by 100. I am getting 0.1. 10 by 100 is 0.1. So V0 is equal to 95 volts. Substituting the values of V0 by IS in any of these two equations, we will be getting V0 as 95 volts and IS as 950 amps. So from the given option, the correct answer is C. Thank you.